So this season, we're in a haunted mansion, and this is the kitchen of the manor. And so you will see the hanging pots. There are these back tables with the mixers. There's Victorian wallpaper. Everything in here feels really like a home kitchen, but also big and grand and mysterious and lots.
What home kitchen are you talking about?
I'm thinking about your home. But also lots of different nooks and crannies for the producers to play in.
So many mean pranks.
I know, exactly.
So first of all, we have our convection ovens. These are the commercial grade convection oven, fan inside, cooks everything faster, rotates evenly. We also have the regular home ovens too, but these, when John tells you got 2 hours, this is what you run to.
And then we've got sheeters, blast chillers, a reach-in fridge, pots, pans, the whole business, turntables.
This is my favorite section over here. Now, the reason I love this section is because this is where you have an idea and all of the hardware, all of the colors, all of the things to bring it to life. And we always look at the stand or the platter to see if you're telling the story from the top of the baked item to the bottom. Like, everything should tell the story. And whenever your platter takes you out of it, we notice.
And whenever Carla really hates something, she will start by complimenting the platter. Pro tip.
True story.
So every baker has their own individual section with lots of staples, everything they could possibly want, deli containers. You've got measuring spoons, sheet trays, their own ovens, their own induction burner on top, and then of course their own little GoPro camera. And then swing over here to the real heat of the meat, all of the colors, all of the deco. So spices, coating chocolate.
Sugars.
Sugars.
I mean, everything, coconut
additives.
sugar, maple sugar, dark brown, light brown, all the sugars you can think of. This is my Sunset Boulevard dream here. We finally got a nice staircase. This is the gallery. Fun fact, Stephanie did all of these paintings in her downtime. This, super cool, is where the bakers can sit and watch the Bake for Your Life or watch the other bakers get judged, which is so crucial to get that feedback from us, from the judges. Even when we're not judging them, they're still learning.
I love the gallery because, one, I feel like the bakers are growing at a much faster pace this season than ever before. And it's because they get to hear the feedback.
Yes.
And I want to just give a shout out to the art department. So all of these windows, all of this wallpaper, all of the color story with this green patina, the flooring, it is amazing. Everything is designed to make it feel like this haunted manor in this grand kitchen.
You know what else brings you into the time period?
What is that?
The paint that they used for the wallpaper, actually they get that color from arsenic. It's the period specificity that I really appreciate.
Oh!
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Where does this even go?
You will never know where it goes.